Today, I'm diving into the latest numbers for University Heights, zip code 92116, and breaking down what they really mean for you. So whether you're just curious or considering a move, this update is going to give you the inside scoop without all that boring jargon. Let's get started with single-family homes. New listings held steady. We had 23 homes come on the market in March, which is exactly the same as last year, so no major change there. Pending sales, meaning homes that went under contract, actually ticked up about 8%. Buyers are definitely still active. Closed sales, these are homes that actually made it to the finish line, dropped about 33% compared to last year. So that means fewer homes actually sold, which tells us buyers might be a little bit more picky right now, or deals are just taking a little bit longer to close. Now, the part everyone wants to talk about, home prices. The median sales price for a single-family home in University Heights jumped to $1.6 million. That is a 32% increase compared to last year, which is huge. Even looking at the first 3 months of the year, prices are still up about 20% overall. So if you're a homeowner, that's definitely good news for your home's value. However, buyers aren't paying quite as close to asking price as they were before. The percent of list price received dropped a bit. It's now at 97% compared to almost 100% last year. Now, that's a small shift, but it does show that buyers are negotiating a little more than they were during the peak frenzy. Homes are also spending just a little bit more time on the market, about 26 days on average compared to 25 days last March. Not a huge change, but it's still worth noting. And when it comes to inventory, meaning the number of homes that are available for sale, we're down about 17%. There's still not a ton of choices out there, which is keeping competition relatively strong and helping prices stay elevated. Now, let's touch briefly on condos and townhomes in 92116 because that market looks a little bit different. New listings for condos jumped 67% compared to last year, and pending sales, meaning buyers making offers, doubled. However, closed sales were down about 21% compared to March last year to date, but actually up 10%, which tells me we might just be seeing some timing differences. Condo prices actually slipped a little bit in March, about 4% compared to last year, but up year to date, they're still up about 5%. So overall, condo values are holding steady with a slight upward trend over the first part of 2025. Now, one big shift in the condo inventory market, it's the number of available condos tripled from last year. That's a 170% increase in the number of condos for sale. That's huge. And the month supply of inventory, or just a fancy way of saying how long it would take to sell everything currently on the market, shot up by 162%. That means buyers looking for a condo have way more choices right now, and sellers need to be priced right and show well to stand out. That's important. So what does this mean for you? If you're thinking about selling, especially a single-family home, now is a fantastic time to cash in while prices are strong and inventory is tight. And if you're buying, patience and strategy are going to be key. But opportunities are definitely out there, especially in the condo market. If you found this update helpful, please like this video, leave a comment with any questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates about living in University Heights and the San Diego market. And of course, if you're curious about your home's value or thinking about making a move, I'd love to be your go-to real estate resource. You'll find all my contact information below. Feel free to call, text, email, or book a time in my calendar to connect. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you next month with another market update.